about atomic structure. But first, what is atom?
Atoms, smallest particle of an element that has all the properties of that element. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter that make up everyday objects. Two main parts of an atom: nucleus, 99.9% of the atom's mass; electron, cloud, or energy rings. Atoms are made of subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Now, to fully understand the concept of an atom, here is a magnified view of one atom. Yes, it is not perfect representation of exactly what atoms look like, but it is close enough for right now. And check this out. Atom itself is made up of smaller things. Right, what we said, that atoms are the building block for everything. Then, if you look at an atom, it has smaller building blocks that make it up. So now, in the center of an atom is the nucleus, and the nucleus is made up of two tiny particles, which is the protons and neutrons. Protons as blue circles, and then neutrons as red circles. And on the outside of the atom, there are these little black circles that represent as the electrons. You'll see electrons are connected to these oval paths, and to show that the electrons are constantly moving, they're flying around the outside of the atom. The nucleus stays solid here right in the middle of the atom. Electric charge is very important when we're talking about the atoms. Protons have a positive charge. It has a charge of 1 plus. Electrons, on the other hand, have a negative charge. One electron has a charge of 1 minus. Now, neutrons, they don't have any electric charge at all. Charge of 0 and neutral, it is refers something that doesn't have a charge, so neutrons sounds a lot like neutral. The atom, the way it's drawn here, it isn't a perfect representation of what atom actually look like. There are two things. First, the electron and how they move. This drawing might make you think that electrons are spinning around in the outside of the atom. That's actually not what happens. They're buzzing around all over the place. The second thing has to do with the size of the nucleus and how far the electrons are from. If this were a real atom, blow up many times, and the nucleus were the size of a grape, the electrons out there would be almost a mile away, spinning on the outside. So that means most of the atom is actually empty space. Now we thought what atom looks like and the particles make it up, and that is the atomic structure.